Alright, got a little side job here, car lot car. Did the bedside on this side. Did the bedside on the other side. Did the two mirrors, tops of the mirrors. And this one's going to go back. And I got another little bumper to bring back and play with today. So that's pretty cool. I made that video the other day and had a couple people contact me, and did some work for one guy, did a bunch of body work for him, but his shop didn't have any air compressors, and sort of hard to work without an air compressor when you're used to using one, and was getting discouraged about that, and was hanging in there because, you know, I wasn't paying bad for a few side jobs he had. But I got a call from one of my old car lots and wanted to know if I could do some stuff for him on the regular. So it's got a decent account. It'll give me the ability to do some jobs here at the house, and maybe make some videos and stuff, because guys like those paint videos. But spray this one with Matrix base, and then use Deltron clear. That's what I've been using lately. The Deltron stuff seems to work pretty good. And holds shine, doesn't seem to die back too much, and buffs up really sweet the next day. So 2021 is what I've been spraying. I still have some of the prime stuff for some of the cheaper cars that I was doing. I have this 2-to-1 clear up here, but I went to use the other day, and the hardener went bad. So the heat got me again. Heat and humidity in Florida is terrible. Still got half a liter stein of the 98 HS98, so I'll probably just get some universal hardener for that and use that for some covers and stuff. But on the nicer stuff, I've been rocking that stuff. It's not cheap, but it does save you quite a bit of elbow work the next day. So that's what's going on with that. I got the bug stripped the rest of the way and sweated all over it, so I need to get some of that rust off of it there, you can see. And get this in some epoxy primer, and nothing at all going on in the motor room. I need to get in here maybe in a day or two. I got to cut some valve guide bosses on those Type 4 heads and do a valve job on them. And Russ is going to get some retainers and springs from Webb so we can get those heads back to him. And move some stuff around. Had to move the convertible outside, covered it up, and yeah, that's what's going on. Not a whole lot. I just think you would give you a quick update, and thought I would say thank you to Ed of the North, because I know he had something to do with this. He can make money fall out of the sky for other people, and I appreciate it. So that's what's going on here. Let's see what's going on outside. Not a whole lot out here. I need to cut the grass today. Got to cut the grass. I didn't get the bus painted. I did fix all the little dings and dents. Got to do another sand on this, and hopefully we can get this in some paint. Probably paint it up to here somewhere, and then do the top later. Got the bumper cover painted on the Mustang. We can go take a look at that. That came out really sweet. And what clear did I use on that? Can't remember what I used. The Deltron yesterday was the first time I busted into that. I think I actually used the prime clear on this. The 4-to-1. The PPG clear is also 4-to-1. I don't know if they have 2-to-1 clears anymore, but the color match came out good. Everything looks good on that. I'm gonna paint this piece because it's faded from the bottom up. They make these aftermarket, but I'm just gonna go ahead and sand this down, put some black base on it, and clear it, or maybe paint it silver to color match it to the deck lid and the bumper. I don't know, but yeah, grass is growing. I want to thank all you guys for commenting on the last video, giving me a little bit of encouragement. Sometimes, you know, it's you get a little down. You don't mean to, but it happens. I try to stay positive because I know there's people that are a lot worse off than I am. So yeah, that's all you can do, one day at a time type of deal. There's the old SN95 beater car. It's convertible out here with the 10 over it. Blew some spray bomb primer in there so that wouldn't get out of hand. But that's it. I just want to do a little short video, show you this little job here. And the next couple I'll try to do a little video. I'm not going to do any how-to videos. I'm just going to, make a couple videos showing you some stuff or whatever we're doing, and go from there. But we'll take this one back and grab another one, and it's a good way to start the day off, knowing that you got something to do. So I'm getting this out of the garage. It's a little tight to get it out, but we'll get that out. Got to clean the window up, even though I bagged it. It got a little bit of overspray there in the center of the windshield, and deal with that. I'm not going to wash it because it's black. It'll water spot. We'll wipe it down and let the lot guy wash it. I went over it with some black wax to try to cover some of the scratches that they didn't want to fix. There's one right there in the door. I put some black magic marker on it to tone that down so it wasn't slapping you in the face. We agreed on the other side of the truck, and when he got out, he saw this side was all marred up, so I went ahead and took care of that. I was going to just try to spot it in right here, but halfway through the prepping process, I just hit it with a Scotch-Brite pad and cleared the whole bedside. I didn't want to have any issues this morning. So that's what's going on here today. Like I said, the bug, I don't know about it. If it's going to make Dragonite or not. I'm going to try to get it in some epoxy today, but I need to concentrate on putting food on the table right now. I talked to Noel, and he wants to put a new case around the Pro Mod motor. So we're going to pull that out and let Scooter go through the engine and put a case around it. So I don't know if we'll get all that done in a month and a half or a half a month or whatever we have left. But I think the transmission's broke also in the car. It could be good, but the car pretty much needs everything, and he's really busy. So I need to concentrate on what I need to do. I need to get this primed, and I need to start getting some stuff rolling in through here and get rid of some of this stuff. I got to get rid of this Pontiac. Got to get it together and get it fired up, make it run, and try to consolidate everything into it. I got two cars, all the trim, all the pieces for it, but I don't know if I want to finish that car and paint it and everything. I might just sell that as a project just to clear out the shop a little bit. And that's what's going on with that. I'm going to try to sell the 2013 Mustang and maybe go pick up a warehouse somewhere, a little spot, a little shop, and get established that way instead of doing it in the garage. I mean, I can do it here, it's no big deal, we're in the county, but I'd rather have a little shop to go to every day, and makes it more legit. So that's what's going on. Hope everybody's having a great day. You guys are all caught up now. You guys have a wonderful day. Go make the best of it. Push that record button. Thanks for all the well wishes and prayers. That stuff works sometimes, and sort of proof of it. So thank you again, and we'll see you on the next little side job. I'll make a little video for you guys, probably a little bumper cover. I found a little car for my daughter yesterday too for a couple $100 at a car lot that's wrecked up, a Mitsubishi Sport Utility, so he might be getting that and doing some work on it. So till then, we'll talk to you guys later.